Hello guys, this is the R6 theme. Today we'll show you how to install our Rayleigh WordPress theme and how to work around in it. Let's start in the dashboard. Then go to Appearance, then Themes. Add a new theme, then Upload theme. Choose a file. Find the Rayleigh zip file. Lastly, install. And do not forget to activate. After installing the theme, it will recommend the Contact Form 7 plugin, which is a very useful plugin for creating contact forms. Begin installing it. And then activate it. For now, let's return to themes again. If you plan to insert your own codes, install the Rayleigh child theme to prevent future updates from erasing your changes. The same install routine follows. Next, we'll show you through the theme itself. We're going to start from Theme Options. In Theme Options, under General Settings, you'll have different options to choose from: logo type, title, columns, etc. Now, we'll set a textual logo with a title and a subtitle. You can also set your copyright text here. And don't forget to save the changes. In Styles and Colors, you can choose between a light and a dark preset color scheme, or you can manually choose colors for everything basically. In Typography, all Google fonts are included. You can choose a font for various headings and their colors as well. Here is where you can choose favicons for different devices. And here is where you can enter your metadata. Sidebars are where your widgets will be located. You can add as many sidebars as you want, but only one can be active at a time per page. In Custom Settings, you can enter your own CSS and JavaScript code and the field to paste your Google Analytics code. That's it for now about theme options. Now let's make a home page. Go to Pages, Add New. Enter the title and choose a template. Choose the homepage template for this one. To add a slider, go to Shortcodes and go to Slider. The slider sets all images to full screen, so you don't have to define the size here. You can add as many slides as you want. Let's try adding a couple. And now let's edit the first one. Let's enter a caption for the first slide. We'll set the slide type to image. And let's upload an image. We'll upload a video as well. Choose the file. You can also set an overlay for the image to make it appear darker or lighter. Save settings and return. Now let's edit the second slide and the third one. Now we'll add a video slide. Set the slide type to video. For videos, you need to know the original dimensions and the supported formats, which are MP4, WebM, and OGG. For this video slide, we'll use an MP4 format, but we recommend also using WebM and OGG for browser fallbacks, as different browsers support different formats. You can switch positions of slides by simply dragging and dropping them. Now let's insert this shortcode and publish the page. Now let's see what we made. Let's return to page editing. If you want to make some changes, use our R6 shortcode editor. It will detect all used shortcodes and lets you edit them. When you are done, replace shortcode. As you can see, the shortcode has been edited. Let's update what we have done so far. Now we have to set the home page as the front page. To do so, go to Settings, Reading, and in Front Page Displays, check a static page and set the home page as the front page. Save changes. Now the home page will be displayed first when you open your site, as you can see here. Now we'll set up a blog page. Add a new page and choose a blog template. Enter the title. You can also add page subtitles if you want. And publish when done. Now we'll add some blog content. Add a new post. Set a title for it. And enter some content. Add some tags for it. And enter some categories. And you can set a featured image if you want. And publish when done. In theme options, let's change the number of columns of the blog and the sidebar position. Let's check out what our site looks like. You can control the visible content of a blog post by using the familiar More tag in the WordPress editor. And enter. The content below the More tag will only be visible in a single blog post. And let's check our blog page again. Now let's make a portfolio page. Add a new page, enter a title and a subtitle, and set a portfolio template. Publish when done. Now we need to create portfolio items. Go to Portfolio, add new, name the item, and enter some description for it. You can use different shortcodes if you want. For example, the text with icon shortcode. Portfolio items have their own slider. It is customized here. You can set the slides to loop or not. Looping does not work with video slides. This is very important. You can set the autoplay function on. Just enter a number in milliseconds. To disable this function, just leave it empty. Now let's add some slides. And let's upload some new images. And at last, create a portfolio slider. You can assign categories for items to make the filtering available. And add a featured image to be displayed as the main image on the portfolio page. Let's publish this page and quickly make another item for demonstration. And now let's see our portfolio page. All portfolio items are loaded via Ajax. To set the number of portfolio items shown per page, go to Theme Options, and in General Settings, set your desired number. You can also change the number of columns on the portfolio page. Save changes. And now let's see the changes we have made. Okay, now let's create a new page, for example, services. set the title and the subtitle. And choose the services template. Services have a unique shortcode located in presets, the service box. Choose an icon, add a title, and enter some content. And insert shortcode. Let's add another service box. Enter new shortcodes in new lines. Every other service box will automatically be placed to the opposite of a previous one. To edit a shortcode, you can do it directly or via the shortcode editor. Okay, let's publish the page and preview. Okay, let's add a theme page now. It is very similar to services, as it also has preset shortcodes. They are called theme box. Add a member picture. Enter the member's name, work position, and other information. Add some contact info, like the email address or other links. This is the default contact info. The only thing that has to remain is the mail to part. And then enter your desired email. You can add several contact icons. And you can reorder them by dragging and dropping. When you are done, insert shortcode. And don't forget to change the template, set to theme, and publish the page. Now let's preview. Lastly, let's add a contact page. Add title, enter some content, and set the template to contact. After that, publish the page. As we have installed the Contact Form 7 plugin, we can create a contact form. Let's go to Contact. This contact form can be edited to suit your needs. You just need to copy the shortcode. After that, update the page. Let's preview the page. And voila, working Ajax contact form. And now we'll embed a map. Go to theme options. And in general settings, paste the map embed code here. Save changes. Now let's preview our page. That's it. Now the only thing left to do is edit the menu. Enter a name and set up the list to go however you want. You can also nest list items. And set theme locations to primary navigation. After that, save menu. That's all for now. Thank you for purchasing the theme, and I apologize for the bad accent and the neighbor's dog. If you have any questions, contact us directly or on Envato. Don't forget to rate us. Thanks for watching. Bye.